In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off 5G on iPhone. So if 5G is enabled by default on your iPhone or the 5G is set to auto, then your iPhone will switch between 5G, auto and LTE whenever the network is available. So if you want to permanently turn off or disable the 5G network settings on your iPhone, here are the steps that you need to take. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off 5G on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings spread, click on mobile service or cellular data. So this depends on your region. So in my own case, I have mobile service. Click on mobile service or cellular data. Here, click on more data option or more cellular data option. So this depends on your setting as well. Then once you click on that, locate the voice and data option and click on that. Then here you have option to use 5G, turn on 5G and turn off 5G. Now here, to turn off 5G, all you need to do is click on LTE. This is going to turn off 5G on your iPhone. And to turn on 5G, just choose turn on 5G. And this is going to only turn on 5G. Whenever the 5G network is not available, the LTE feature will not be switched to and to be disabled. But if you choose 5G auto, it will switch between the 5G and LTE. Now to turn off the 5G on your iPhone, it just shows this feature, LTE. And once that is selected, 5G will be disabled on your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.